Is it alright to donate organs? I would say, even if you have not lived your life in a useful manner, in death, at least you could be useful. So, if someone can use the dead body, it is fine. We already saw that all people don't die the same way, just as all people don't live the same way. If you look at it technically, people can die out of any one of the chakras. One can die in any one of these dimensions. If one has died in a certain way by consciously exiting the body, then it is not good to dismember one's body. But if people have died in normal ways, it is alright to do this. The problem again is, who is there capable enough to decide this? Moreover, when someone is dead, can one go and tell someone, okay, your father has died in a bad way, so you can cut open the body and donate the organs? It is not socially advisable or even possible. So it is better that organ donation is open for everyone rather than making exception to it. Moreover, if it is going to be useful for someone, maybe it is better to do it. Strictly speaking, there are some disadvantages for certain people if the organs are taken out. But it is okay if someone is going to see through your eyes or live better through your organs. Now people ask, if one in the spiritual path, can one donate organs? I think, except for the kidney and a few other things, you are donating the organs only after you are dead. So donate it. What is the problem? The question is the little bit of gouging the body that they do after death okay for a spiritual person? After one is dead, anyway, you burn the body or bury it. If you bury it, the organs will get donated to the worms or plants. They also make use of it. If you take away an eyeball, the worms will not miss it. If you die in an accident or something where the body is broken but still all these organs are fine, we can take them. It is alright. It has nothing to do with spirituality. It is only an emotional problem. If something is useful for someone, if they can see or live making use of it, it is okay. Moreover, for a person to die with the intention, let my body be useful to 10 people, is a good thing. Some people donate their entire body for research purposes. These bodies will be preserved for a long time and cut open to the maximum. If they start cutting the body within the first 11 to 14 days, there is definitely a little bit of harm to that person. If that is the case, then we can do something so that they completely exit. After that, how their body is used, it does not matter. But I think it will be well beyond 14 days before they start cutting it for education or research purposes. At that time, it is just like a piece of vegetable, whether you give it to the doctors or bury it or burn it. It makes no difference to that individual. Now, some people worry that if karma is encoded into even the minutest aspect of our lives, then do the organs that are received through transplantation also bring the karma of the donor along with them? People have been doing blood transfusions for ages now. Blood is far more vital than any other organ, and in fact goes all over the body to every organ. It has access to everything, including your brain. But people are doing fine with blood transfusion, so this should also be fine. Definitely, there is something that you acquire, but the benefit outweighs the risk. Is it the best thing to do? No. But is it something that you do if it is needed? Yes. If the organ is not suitable or in some way not going well with the body, it will anyway reject it. The problem is that we have too much emotion about these things. Your kidneys are just filters. If you own a diesel car, every 10,000 kilometers or so you replace the fuel filter. So similarly, you are replacing your kidney filter. The question is, your filter has already been used. It is a second hand filter. So is there a problem? Maybe. So now they are trying to grow new filters in the lab. They are growing the liver, kidney, spleen and whatever is needed in the lab and storing it. When you need it, you can have it ready made. It is a good new filter. You can put it in because the body is a mechanical thing. Maybe you will turn spiritual more easily if you have all organs replaced because you will have no sense of your own body. It is a good thing because you don't have to tell such people you are not the body. They know they are not their heart, they are not their liver, they are not their kidney.